Coming from the point of view of a believer, God had instructed Moses to write down these 10 commandments on a stone tablet to give to the Jews when they were freed from Egypt. The first being, do not worship any other gods besides me. Do not make idols of any kind. Do not misuse the name of the Lord your God. Remember to observe the Sabbath day by keeping it holy. Honor your father and mother. Do not murder. Do not commit adultery. Do not steal. Do not testify falsely against your neighbor. And do not covet. The commandments were designed to lead Israel to a life of practical holiness. In them, people can see the nature of God and His plan on how they should live. Now, coming from myself, who has his own opinions and suspicions about God, I understand God gave us the decision to believe in His Word or not to believe in His Word, and we would have to live with that decision that we have made. But what if we made a decision not to believe in God, and we chose to stick with that decision until the day we died? Now, in the Bible, it says that we would have to go to hell. We gotta live the good life, been good to others, got donated to be done, took care of our families, got a good job, got a diploma, got a degree, etc. Yeah, we've probably drank a few beers in our life, but who's counting? Just because we made that decision, do you honestly think that it's right for God to make the decision that we would have to burn in hell eternally? Yeah, I know nobody's perfect and nobody's going to follow every rule, but what if you tried your best, but without God in your life? Would you absolutely still be a good person?